Welcome to home cooking. It is easy, everyone can cook. Stir-fried crab with curry powder. A simple, delicious recipe for crab curry stir-fry, a Thai dish made by stir-frying crab with curry powder, eggs, and milk. Oyster sauce, fish sauce, white and spring onions, Chinese celery, and bell peppers. Crack the eggs into a mixing bowl. Add prik pao, Thai roasted chili paste. Add oyster sauce. Add fish sauce or thin soy sauce. Add a little bit of sugar. Add black or white pepper. Add milk, or you can use coconut milk instead. Whisk well, then set aside. In a wok over low heat. Add cooking oil. When hot, add garlic. Fry garlic until aromatic and golden. Add yellow curry powder. Stir until nice smell. Add white onion and save some for later. Stir fry for 30 seconds. Add crab. Stir fry for 30 seconds. Add a little bit of water. Cover the lid, let it boil until cooked through. Pour the mixture sauce. Stirring. Boil for 2-3 minutes. Add white onion. Add bell pepper. Add white and spring onion and celery. Stir well for a minute. Turn off the heat. Place to the plate. Serve with steamed rice. Enjoy!